Hi, I'm Lloyd Brekke. I own this shop, it's Lloyd's Auto Restorations, and we've been restoring cars here for quite a number of years. This is a 57 Chevy. It actually kind of started the project. I bought that years ago, and we used it for an everyday car for many years. We liked the color, it was kind of unique, so I took it all down to the metal and I brought it back as it was from the factory. It has the original drivetrain in it, but it's all been fresh, so it's just like a new car. And it can be driven anywhere in the country without worrying about it. I believe I'm somewhere the third or the fourth owner of this car. So we drove this back from Los Angeles to Newton, Kansas, where we lived at the time, and used it quite a bit for an everyday car. And a few years later, then I decided it was worthy of restoring. So we went to the bare metal with it and started sanding it and painting it like it was with all original colors. And the interior is also exactly as the factory made it, rather than doing a modified interior on it. And everything on the drivetrain in this car is original type. It's freshened up, of course, but it drives as if it were a new Chevy right off the showroom floor.